Happiness made by chemicals. Stress does different things to people and it goes up and down during the day, which causes our happy chemicals to drop and then cortisol kicks in. We're going to look at your happy chemicals to help combat stress. So D is for dopamine. This is the reward chemical. It helps regulate your movement and emotional response to see and get rewards. Helps with memory, helps you being organised, helps against the fight against Parkinson's disease. And there's lots of pleasurable experiences from dopamine, for example, after eating a good meal. So how do we make dopamine? Well, acts of kindness increase dopamine, as well as eating eggs, dairy foods, almonds, chicken, turkey or beef, bananas, watermelon, and nice dark chocolate. We need to take up hobbies and activities and make and tick off lists. This helps. Getting enough sleep, music, meditation, sunlight, and of course, exercise. And then O is for oxytocin, and this is your cuddle love hormone. This is the warm fuzzy hormone that promotes feelings of love, social bonding and well-being, helps with human behaviours and social interaction, and plays a big part in maternal bonding. Making oxytocin, calling someone and talking, sending imaginary hugs, giving people nice comments, listening to people and physically touching. Playing with your dog or pets causes a surge. Smiling, laughing, giving money or gifts away. Music and meditation, and again, exercise. So S is for serotonin, and this is what we call our happy chemical. It helps regulate mood, social behaviour, appetite, digestion, sleep and memory, whilst reducing our negative emotions, and it contributes to well-being and happiness. So how do we make serotonin? We need to get some sunlight outdoors, some vitamin D and B6. Eat dairy products, cheese, have some salmon, eggs again, especially yolk, turkey and poultry, spinach, nuts and seeds, and bananas. Music and meditation again, and exercise. So E is for your endorphins, and this is your motivation chemical. It helps with your attention span, your focus, helps you follow through and helps you be motivated and gives you the ability to experience pleasure. The higher your endorphin levels, the less pain and stress you feel. So making endorphins then, getting outdoors, giving us vitamin D and B6, volunteering, donating and helping others, eating our favourite foods as well as eating foods like egg yolks, almonds, fish and chicken, bananas, dark chocolate and chili. Music and meditation really useful, as well as getting enough sleep and of course exercise. Now let's recap on the common points we looked at. Eggs, really good for you. Dairy products, nuts and seeds, bananas, exercise, music and meditation, and of course getting outside to get our vitamin D and B6.